Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're making an easy meatloaf and cheesy shells. I got both the ground beef and the shells from Aldi's. I'm using a 2-pound pack of ground beef, and this box of shells and cheese, which is comparable to Velveeta cheese shells, it was like $1. For our meatloaf, I'm going to be dicing up half of an onion. We're going to need 1 egg. Also not pictured as salt and pepper in the seasonings, but that with the Lowry's seasoning salt, some garlic salt. We're going to need some Italian breadcrumbs, any kind will do, and also some barbecue and ketchup. As far as the seasonings go, which I'm adding in now, I did not measure specifically anything. This is all just my preference and taste, and I'm just measuring it by eyesight. So you guys add more or less depending on what you see fit. So next, in my measuring cup, which is a 1 cup sized measuring cup, I'm going to mix some ketchup and barbecue. And again, you guys use the brand and flavors that you like, but I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. And we're going to mix that in this cup and then just spread it on top of our meatloaf. So now we're just going to place our meatloaf in the oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour, and that's it. We just wait. So while the meatloaf is baking, we're going to go ahead and start with our cheesy shells, and I'm just boiling about 8 cups of water because we're going to use the entire box of cheesy shells. So after a good 10 minutes, your pasta should be done, and we can go ahead and drain it. And next, I'm just going to add in the whole pouch of cheese that came with the box. But of course, that's not all I'll be adding in my cheesy shells. I'll also be putting a little bit of parsley and salt and pepper. So an hour is up, and this is what your meatloaf should look like. And meatloaf is just one of those things that tastes so much better than it looks, you guys. But I'm getting ready to plate my dish now, and let me tell you, it was pretty good.